Can you spell it? B-L-U-E, blue. Say it loud and say it clear. Blue is a word we love to hear. I can use blue in a sentence today. Blue in a sentence, hip hip hooray. Blue is a word that we love to say. Spell it with me, let's learn it today. Blue, 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 blue.
Today's sight word is blue. Can you say it? Blue. Great. Now let's spell it together. B-L-U-E. Blue. Amazing. Blue is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Blue. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.